guys, so this is probably gonna be the easiest install I've ever done on this car. Let's see if I can open it up. I'm gonna be replacing the license plate light bulbs, but I actually have like the full bar right here, which wasn't that much more expensive. I got it from Subaru, so I'm pretty excited. I still have the halogens on it. Honestly, I don't really care if it's LED or not, but when I was looking at my car from behind, it did not look good. It looked like my old WRX, which I want to try to make this STI as different as possible. So that's how I'm going to be installing these. It's pretty simple. I'll show you what the tools you need. So the tools are pretty basic. It's just a little pop clip. You use like a flathead or not. And you just need a 8mm, which I honestly don't have. So I'm probably just gonna, if I have to use that, I'll use that. But I think I need like a long socket, but let's get into it. Pretty simple. All right, so all I gotta do is just remove these pop clips. Pretty simple, the top one, and then this right here hinge will just fold down. So. Now it should go down. There you go. Alright, so this should be pretty simple. Just gotta turn this counterclockwise. Oh, clockwise. To remove the bulb. Same with this side. Counterclockwise. Pretty easy. And now we just gotta get these 8mm right here. I'll show you, get closer. Alright, so now we just gotta remove these 8mm, these 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. It just holds the trunk trim right there. And I think I have my socket is long enough. Use this one. Very little torque, so. Alright, so I got all the nuts out. Now I'm gonna try to pop the trim out. So maybe I should close the trunk. I guess I just pull it. Oh. Okay. I don't want to break it. I don't want to break it. Ooh, no, don't break. Don't break. Oh, fuck me. Shit. Okay, that was scary. Never again. Never again. Oh, don't scratch the paint. Alright, so to take this out now, can't open the trunk. That's so weird. Oh, sorry if I scratch. Okay. So now I can just pinch, oh sorry, I can just pinch this so it could just pop up. Oh my god, you get the idea. Pinch this, it's kind of hard to pinch, but oh, there you go. Pinch this one. Goddamn weak. Oh, shit. Alright, now I should be able to take it out. Oof. There it is. Oh crap. Okay, take the old ones out. Basura. Get the new ones. Where the hell are the new ones? Oh, it's right inside. Inside the trunk. just didn't push hard enough. Inside. Nice. Now I just gotta plug it in. I'm honestly sure not which side it was, so. Holy crap, that's bright. Jeez, that's bright. Yo, that's like the backups. Holy crap. That's way too bright. People behind me think I'm backing up. Oh my god, that's way too bright. Maybe it's flipped the wrong way. Right, so now I'm just reinstalling the nuts. Just to make sure it doesn't fall inside, or else I'll pull a dummy move, you know? Solo mas. Alright, tighten this, put these back on, and we're good to go. Alright, this is much better. So you can see what it looks like. God, the camera's making it look brighter, but that's what the halogens look like. It's not bad. Yo guys, you guys should definitely get this. Look how fucking bright it looks. It looks so good now. Jeez, man. 100% recommend. Fairly cheap, and it makes your car look so much modern now. It kind of complements this LED version here. But man, taillights next. But I probably don't want to spend that much money on taillights, to be honest. But damn, 100% worth it. It's hella bright. Jeez.